Hello, my name is Eduardo Lugo, and this is the video of my individual assignment. So I'm going to start with the first section. This is my simple PHP website, HTTPS individual assignment. If I reload it, if I do HTTP only, it redirects me to HTTPS. Also, here it's the conf file with HTTP2 with the SSL enabled, some security headers that they might not be really necessary because, for example, I don't have any ways of uploading a file, but because it's a really simple website, but it's better to have them than not to have them. I also have the deny, the only allow get and post, and deny all the other HTTP requests, and that's it for this part. Then I can show the status of the elk stack. So if I do sudo systemctl status Kibana is active and running, Elasticsearch is active and running, and Filebit is active and running. So let me show you now the configuration of Filebit. Here it's the configuration of Filebit, the IP address of the Elastic stack, the HTTPS, Elastic, the password, true, and the fingerprint, and the other configuration of Filebit with the enable access and enable error. Now in Kibana, I wasn't able to do a big dashboard because I wasn't able to obtain the log files from Filebit. So what I was able to do in Kibana with Filebit, it's the data stream, and as you can see here, it is actually updated like sometimes yes, sometimes no. I don't know why it didn't went to the indexes. This I did it by hand, not by the file bit because it didn't appear automatically as in the lab. And it, as you can see, it says zero documents, so I don't have a dashboard for this one. For the Deloitte, I was able to import the Deloitte file, um, uh, the, the, the the Deloitte log file of Apache, and I was able to import this security pre-made dashboard, but it didn't detect like any host event and nor any network event. And I only have like this one that is like events in general. And I can say that this is useful because in here you can see when is the spike of events occurring on the network, that it actually matches with the case given to us by Deloitte. And also in another machine, in another VM, I was able to install the WAF. I mean, in here you can also see that it's the same individual assignment, HTTPS, HTTP also redirects to HTTPS, and I have here that I added the load module. I was able to have the module in here, but for some reason modsec wasn't created as a directory but as a file, and as a really weird file. This is the content of it, so I don't know what happened in there, but this is my final, my individual assignment. I know I will probably not get a really big grade, but this was a really difficult course to me. I'm not used to this type of courses, and this was way more advanced than I was expecting. But well, my name is Eduardo Lugo, and thank you so much for your attention.